Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Chase mobile app when it's not working properly, especially if you're having trouble with mobile deposits or seeing messages like Chase not available for mobile deposit. Let's walk through a couple common reasons this happens and how to fix them. One of the first things you should check is your daily mobile deposit limit. If you recently used the quick deposit feature in the Chase app, there's a chance you may have reached your daily limit. Chase places limits on how much money you can deposit using mobile check deposits, and once you hit that limit, deposits won't go through until it resets. To check your mobile deposit limits, open the Chase mobile app and sign in. Go to the section where you normally make a mobile deposit, which is usually under Deposit or Move Money. Look for an option that says something like Deposit Limits or View Limits. Tap on it and the app will show your daily, weekly, or monthly deposit limits, along with any restrictions that apply to your account. Another thing to check is whether your account is eligible for mobile deposits. Not all Chase accounts have the same features, and some accounts require a certain balance, account type, or history of activity before mobile deposit is fully enabled. If your account is new or has limited activity, mobile deposit may not be available yet. To confirm eligibility, review your account details in the app or check the terms and conditions for your specific account type. If you're still unsure, contacting Chase customer support can help clarify whether your account qualifies. In some cases, upgrading to a different Chase account may be necessary to use mobile deposit features. Once you've checked your deposit limits and confirmed your account eligibility, try closing and reopening the Chase app or sign out and sign back in. This often helps refresh the app and resolve temporary issues. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you fix the Chase mobile app, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have more questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.